Hello students. Yesterday I told you one story. In that story there were two animals, ants and grasshopper. And I also told you that ants and grasshopper cannot be called as wild, pet or farm animals. They are other animals. So today in our science lesson number 6, let us learn something about these animals. The other animals like insects, birds, fish and animals living on land and in water we are going to study. Small animals like ants and grasshopper have 6 legs. They are known as insects. They have feelers on their head. They have wings to fly. Insect's body has 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Children, keep it in mind that all the insects have 6 legs. They can feel with their feelers. Let us see some insects. Ants. As you can see, it has 6 legs and it has feelers on its head. Honeybee and grasshopper are insects too. We can see some insects inside our house like cockroach, housefly and mosquitoes. Insects like cricket makes a loud noise at night. In Marathi, it is known as रातकिडा. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ना रातकिडा रात्री किती आवाज करतो? So its English name is cricket. Termite is an insect which live in wood. If the termite enters our house, it can spoil our wooden furniture. Wasp is an insect. It bites us and we get swelling on our skin. It gives pains. In Marathi, it is known as Gandhil Mashi. Some insects are colorful and beautiful. Those are dragonfly, ladybugs and butterflies. You love to see butterflies. I know. Some animals have wings to fly, but they have only 2 legs. Do you know which animals are they? Yes, I am talking about birds. Birds have boat-shaped body and it is covered with soft feathers. They have 2 legs and strong claws. They use their claws to hold their prey or hold the support tightly when they sit on the branch of a tree. They have hard beaks to eat their food. Some birds like cranes have long beaks and some birds like parrots have small beak. They can fly in the sky with their wings. They have 2 wings and a tail. Their tail helps them to maintain balance while flying. As you all know, birds build nests to lay their eggs. From first standard Venus, one girl named Kanchan Vanzare has shared this photograph of a bird's nest in her balcony. Her father has used a coconut shell to make a nest. Children, did you like the nest? Even you can do that. Children, you can see some birds around your house. So keep on watching birds. They are beautiful. So children, this is all for today. We will meet in next session. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and goodbye.